That's not a different picture for you seeing an R31 sideways. Oh.
I know, I need that barrel wax.
Right.
Welcome to part don't know of the VL vlog. We're back. Last episode we were at Danello's and we got it tuned up to as much as we could, and now we're here at Winton Raceway at Supernats to test the thing. We are restricted by fuel. She's a bit lean. He's cut my limiter back. We made 320 or something at 14 psi, creeps up to 20. I've probably got way too many tyres for the situation. Got me drag set up, got me my Hot Boy stance rams, got some Zach Novas on the 15s, but the beast's looking nice. And yeah, she proved herself to go pretty well on the dyno, so I can be fairly confident. He reckons keep the fuel cool, and we're laughing. So we are down here repping Tuff Streeters today, the new brand. So got me Tuff Streeters merch on. So the plan with Tuff Streeters is events like this. So we are here sussing it out today. We'll be doing roll racing at Calder, power cruise style events with power skids, track cruising, burnouts of course, and what else? Probably forgetting something. Just the roll racing at Calder, I don't know, all that sort of stuff. Show and shine, all this kind of car, not JDM stuff. Got a business partner here, the face of Tuff Streeters, Con. So he'll be doing his own vlogs for the Tuff Streeters channel. So make sure you jump on that, check it out. He'll be doing some stuff on the VL. I've got the XT giveaway that's currently live. Might be ended now, don't know. Which will bring us our next one, which is what is it?
The next car.
Yeah.
We get to tell him?
Yeah, actually right.
It's a VR clubby with full GDS mock-up.
Damn. I reckon that Tuff Streeters audience will get around that. So yeah, jump on the website, tuffstreeters.com.au if you want to check it out. But yeah, I reckon we jump in the car. They're doing track cruising at the moment. It's a bit of a shambles. There's like 200 and something cars here at the moment. They're just all lined up. That's a line that goes all the way around the back of Winton, and the whole track is currently full. So yeah, we'll try and get out there. I'll get as much footage as I can. We'll try and keep the motor in there. Shut your ass. And yeah, let's get this thing done, son.
I love it.
Concentration is real.
Question is, does she love it?
Listen to that pink. Make sure that RB stays in there.
That's it. Keep those rods where they belong, mate. That's not a different picture for you seeing an R31 sideways. Oh.
I know, I need that barrel wax.
We're just cruising and we're doing the wrong thing apparently.
Chap lapping here. Right? I think everyone's a bit G to get some tyres off their rims. It's been a while.
This is what it's all about.
1,000 horsepower FG, that one. Was he
On it, or was he?
said he was boost cutting or something? I don't know. He was just blazing it, you know.
He's a Ford owner.
Can't keep up with them gin news, mate. Them grippy gin news. That's
Success.
first cruising track done. First one ever in my life. I don't know about you.
Oh,
Done a few?
probably done Easternats back in the day. Been a PCM, but it's been a while since I've been on the track.
It's not bad, it's not bad. It's a bit wild. I don't know why Robbo's already got a cave door. Hopefully it's not from this, but who knows?
It was there before, right?
I don't know what's next. I think it's roll racing. I'm not sure. I might give it a shot. Why not? I mean, I just chopped the 1,000 horsepower FG, so fucking the old 400 horsepower VL turbo.
Goes alright.
First run went alright. Temperatures kept pretty good. I need to stay off that limiter. I can't help it. We did have a bit of a coolant drop, so we need to be careful with the old RB30 and VLs. Fun fact, they came in R31s. Holden bought them, put them in these, and the way that it sits, the head's like too high for the radiator and all that. So you have to make sure, keep water in it. Don't get it too hot because they get like a lock in the head or something in the back of the motor, and it just gets real hot and cracks the head. Very common. We've got to make sure he's always got welder. Roll racing up next, so I'm going to throw the draggy boys on and we'll see what she can do. Ooh, that's chunky. Well, water topped up. I had a bit of a radiator cap leak. I think I dropped the bonnet too hard once and it popped her off. So that's all fixed up. Drag set up ready to go. Ooh. Hopefully it has clearance.
Right, helmets on.
Roll racing time, what do we got?
We've got a 1-tonner. Don't know what's in it, but we'll see how we go. Let's see what the semis do.
Roll to 40 to the first cone. Send it to the last cone. No loss of traction or you disqualify.
Pretty sure he was baking tyres.
Yeah. Excuse the hair. We won our first race. I don't know if the GoPro got it or not. It went on it. It yeeted from all that runway speed, the jet. What? Well, we've got it on this side now because we're top sides, I think. So, yes, hopefully capture this one. But we beat the 1-tonner. Didn't sound like it had anything too crazy.
Outland turbo, maybe.
Yeah, I think it did. Yeah? Ooh, not bad. See how we go this time. See what we've got next. Back from roll racing. Stupidly, we didn't check the pressures. They were a little bit high. Got some wheel spin. We beat that one guy. And then came up against some bloody LSA 9-second VK thing. Yeah, we spun the wheels a bit. Couldn't get it down, so he chopped us real good. Next up, I think we're doing power skids now, so we're gonna throw the stretchy boys on, and this time up the pressure, because we had too much grip out of these beaters. We had mad D-lam going on. And I don't know if it's from being on the dyno, but they were gripped up real good. So hopefully these stale boys, still a genius, so not a bad tyre, but they've been on and off that many wheels. Hopefully enough heat in them, and we'll pump up the pressure. See if we can do some sort of power skid. We had an emergency briefing because someone binned it into someone else during the cruise. It was getting a bit wild out there, and they said you're not allowed to jump on the brake, and I don't know, a few other things. They got power skids up next, so we'll give that a shot. There's a few other things. There's a burnout car, probably will not do that because that's asking for trouble for that RV in there. I think I got another roll racing sesh, so we'll drop the tyre pressure and try to get some heat into these ones. Maybe on one of the next track cruises, we'll throw them on and get them a bit sticky for the next roll race. It's a good idea. Maybe we'll chuck it on high boost. Hopefully the tuner's not watching this video because he said not to do that. See what happens. Let's get back out there. Oh yeah.
This is my
I like those light wheels.
One for the crowd. Sounds like a barrel, I think.
Alright, so we missed out on power skids. I think it sounds like we're missing out on the second part of the roll racing because apparently it's the finals. But I'll try to get out there anyway. Throwing it back into drag mode. These wheels we just had on, they did spin up real good. I didn't show, but the big boys were hitting on the inside on the LCA. Mad drainer. I'm sort of wrecked, so I've just got it back to drag mode. I want to try and race some people. If I don't get out in the roll racing, I'll get out and I think they've got one more track cruise, so I'll get out and I'll try and pair those people, race them. Burnouts are currently going on and they've got a finals on later, so I've got some guys out there. Got Brock Manera out there getting some footage, so I'm sure we'll throw some of that. I think Ben Venny is actually currently out there in his freshly thrown in use these LSA supercharged freaking 6 litre. Don't know, but he's got it all there. Now we'll see if we've got some footage. We'll throw it in there. And yeah, so that's probably going to be it. We'll pack her up. Keen to get this thing back, and the next thing I'm sure you'll see is it probably back on a dyno with a nice big fuel system, ready to send it. But I'm stoked how the car's gone. No real dramas. Ready for next time. Hope you enjoy watching, and we'll finish on some clips and drag some cunnies, and I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe and get around it, boys.